In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful watercolor painting effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, unlock the background layer by clicking the lock icon. Then right-click on the background layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. Select Dry Brush Filter. Set brush size to 10, brush detail to 10, and texture to 1, then click OK. Now, go to Filter, again choose Filter Gallery, and this time choose Cutout Filter. Set number of levels to 5, edge simplicity to 4, and edge fidelity to 3. Then click OK. Next, go to Filter, Blur, and choose Smart Blur. Set radius to 5, threshold to 100, set quality to high, and click OK. Then, double-click the blending options icon for the Smart Blur filter and set its opacity to 50%. And click OK. Once again, go to Filter, Stylize, and choose Find Edges. Double-click the blending options icon of the Find Edges filter and change the blending mode to Multiply. And click OK. Now, drag and drop your paper texture image onto the canvas. Resize it so it fully covers the entire canvas. Then, change its blending mode to Multiply. Select the subject image. Then hold Alt and click the Add Layer Mask button to add an inverted layer mask to the subject layer. Next, select the Brush tool, go to Brush menu, and choose a watercolor brush. Links for the watercolor brush and paper texture are given in the description. Make sure foreground color is set to white. Now, go to Window and choose Brush Settings. Enable Shape Dynamics and increase angle jitter to 100%. This ensures your brush rotates randomly with each stroke. Now, make some single brush clicks as shown to reveal the watercolor painting effect. Finally, add a Curves adjustment layer. Drag the Curves layer to the top. Then adjust the nodes as shown to make it bright and more vibrant. That's it! You've successfully created a watercolor painting effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.